This is Dr. Z with Family Today. I want to talk to you about why some good men struggle to be good husbands. Whether you're one of those good men or one of the women married to those good men, I hope what I share with you today will be somewhat helpful. Now, in one short video, we're not going to solve all of this, but I do hope that the ideas and suggestions that I share with you today will begin to shift your perspective a little bit and give both you and your spouse a little bit of hope. The first reason that I want to share as to why good men sometimes struggle to be good husbands is that they want too much to be seen as good, especially by their wives. They take their roles as husbands and fathers to heart and do their very best to be there for their family. But as with all husbands, they fall short. And when their wives come to them and express that they're disappointed or upset or even hurt by something they did or didn't do, they tend to defend or explain their behavior. Rather than acknowledge their wife's feelings, they essentially start to communicate to her that she shouldn't feel the way that she feels. And as you might imagine, that only makes things worse. If this fits with you, then here's the subtle paradigm shift I would invite you to make. Being a good husband does not depend on your wife always being happy with you. In fact, it's when you've made mistakes and hurt her feelings that your greatest opportunity to be a good husband presents itself. Because taking care of her feelings in those moments is what means the most to her. Think of it this way. Because of what I just mentioned, in every moment you have the opportunity to be a good husband. No matter how many mistakes you make, there in front of you is an opportunity to take care of her feelings. Another reason good men struggle to be good husbands is that men are hardwired to pursue power and influence. What does that mean? Well, in short, it means we like winning and we like being right. Unfortunately, those two desires are counterproductive to healthy marriage and often create arguments that are characterized by defensiveness and blame. If you can relate to this, then I would invite you to do one thing. Embrace the idea of being influenced by your wife. This means sharing the power with her, involving her in decision making. It also means allowing her to help you become a better person. Doing this, ironically, increases your power and influence. Think of it this way. It creates a virtuous cycle in your relationship. On one end, as you accept her influence, it invites her to approach you in a softer, kinder way. As she approaches you in a softer, kinder way, it makes it easier for you to accept her influence. Accept her influence, and the research shows that you'll have a happier marriage. Choose not to accept her influence, and the research shows that you have an 81% chance of having your marriage end in divorce. Said in a little bit of a humorous, exaggerated way, you can either be right or you can be married. Thank you for watching. I hope these ideas will be somewhat helpful to you. If you know a good man who would appreciate hearing these thoughts, please share this video with them.